Hello friends, welcome to Royal Academy. Finally maths exam is over and I have with me set 1 of your question paper. Let us quickly solve the MCQs of this question paper. So here is the first question. The value of k for which the system of equations 3x minus 3x minus y plus 8 equal to 0 and 6x minus ky plus 16 equal to 0 has infinitely many solutions is. So they have given two linear equations and they have given a condition infinitely many solutions. So therefore we know that for infinitely many solutions, so the coefficients ratio will be equal. So infinitely many solutions a1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2. So here if you observe from the given equations, so A1 is 3 and A2 is 6, so and B1 is minus 1 and here B2 is minus k, then C1 is 8 and here C2 is 16, so divided by 16. So here if you see, so 1 by 2 and this side also it is 1 by 2. So therefore we can write minus 1 upon minus k equal to 1 upon 2. So from where we will get k's value as equal to 2. So therefore B is the correct option. Okay. So let us see what is the second question. So in the second question they have given that a point P divides the line segment joining the points A of 4 comma minus 5, B of 1 comma 2 in the ratio of 5 to 2. Coordinates of point P are. So here they have given the 2 points. So let us try to just show the line and the given coordinates. So here A of they have given first point's coordinates as 4 comma minus 5 and second point B's coordinates as 1 comma 2, and they have given the line segment is divided into a ratio of 5 is to 2. So here I will take M1 and M2. So M1 is 5, M2 is 2. So therefore now we have to find the that coordinates of the point P, which are x and y. So we know from the section formula the coordinates of the point P are given by x comma y equals to, so here m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, now substituting the corresponding values of these parameters. So m1 is 5 and x2 is here x2 is 1. So here I'll just write x1, y1, x2 and y2. So x2 is 1, then plus m2 is 2 and x1 is 4 divided by m1 plus m2 is 5 plus 2 7 and this side m1 is 5 and y1 is minus sorry m1 y2 is 2, m1 is 5 and y2 is 2, then plus m2 is 2 and y1 is minus 5, so y1 is minus 5. Okay, so therefore here it is again 7 in the denominator. So now simplifying this, so 5 plus 8 is 13, 13 divided by 7 here and 10 here minus 10, so that is going to become 0. So therefore the coordinates are 13 by 7 and 0. So 13 by 7 and 0 is option number C. Okay, so now in the question number 3 they have given an common difference of an AP which A15 minus A11 equal to 48. So they have given one condition for which we have to find the common difference. So very simple question, just we need to substitute. So they have given A15 minus A11 equal to 48. So here A15 is nothing but A plus 14D and minus of, so here A11 is nothing but A plus 10D, okay, which is equals to 48. So here A plus 14D, taking that minus inside, so it is minus 10D equal to 48. Then plus A minus A will get cancelled. 14D minus 10D is 4D. 4D equals to 48. From here you will get D equals to 12. Okay, so option number A is the correct option. the quadratic equation x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 has, so here you need to check the discriminant of the given equation. Depending upon the result, we will be able to identify the types of the roots here. So discriminant d equals to, so here b square minus 4ac, so b square is 1 minus 4 times a is 1, c is 1, so this is nothing but 1 minus 3 equals to 1 minus 4 equals to minus 3, which is less than 0. So no real roots, no real roots. So therefore option will be D. There are no real roots. Okay. Then here they have given, if the HCF of the two numbers 25, 20, 60, 66, 100 equal to 40 and LCM of the same numbers is 252 into K, then value of K is. So here we know that, HCF into LCM of any two numbers is nothing but, this is the condition, so equal to the product of the two numbers. So therefore here they have given the values of HCF and LCM. They have given 252 into K and A into B. So A is nothing but the first number, which is 25, 20, and B is the second number, which is 6600. Fine. So simplifying this, we will be able to get the value of K. So K will be equal to 2520 upon 252, and 6600 divided by that 40 will come this side. So this is 250, 10 times you will get this value. Okay, and here I will cancel one zero also. So now 66 divided by 4. So this, if I simplify, so 6 4 ones are, so here 2 will remain, and 4 6 are 24, 2 will remain, and then 2 will remain. So 4 5 are 20, and that 0. So this value is coming 1650. 1650 is option number A. Okay. So now sixth question. So they have given triangle ABC, and here they have given one condition, DE parallel to BC. If AD equal to 5, DB equal to 2.5, and BC equals to 12, find DE. So this is based on BPT theorem. So very simple question. You just need to write the ratio and simplify, get the required answer. So by BPT, so here directly we can write that condition. So AD upon the total length is AB equal to, so this value DE, these two lines are DE upon, so here BC. Now substitute the given value. So AD they have given 5, and AB is sum of the two values, 5 plus 2.5 here, and DE we have to calculate. So keep it as it is. BC they have given 12. So rearranging the terms here, so DE will be equal to, so I will take this 7 point, as this 12 I will take here, so it will become 60, and this 5 is 7.5. So 7.5 I can write it as a 15 by 2. So 2 will go to the numerator and this will cancel it out. This will be finally 4 into 2, which is 8. So option C is the correct option here. Fine. So now in the seventh question they have given, is sin theta equal to cos theta for the given range, then value of sec theta into sin theta is. So very simple question, because we know that sin theta equal to cos theta will be possible only when theta value is 45 degrees. Okay, both values will be equal. Now substitute the same value in the given expression here, sin theta. So, or you can write one more step, cosec theta is nothing but 1 upon cos theta into sin theta. Now substituting theta equal to 45 degrees, so it is cos 45 degrees into sin 45 degrees. So we know that cos 45 is 1 upon root 2, and also sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. So here 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2, from this denominator we cancel each other, so we will get the answer as 1. So option C is the correct option here. Then coming to the eighth question, the two dices are rolled together. The probability of getting the sum of the two numbers to be more than 10. So here the sum of the two numbers must be more than 10. So here we can have the combination. So one number should be 5, another number should be 6, then 6 and 5, and another possibility is both the dice showing 6 6. So there are total 3 such events are possible, the required events, and there are total outcomes Total outcomes are 36. So therefore probability of the favorable outcome is nothing but that 3 over 36. So which is 1 upon 12. So here answer is D. Fine. Now going to the next question. Question number 9. If alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial 5x square plus 3x minus 7, the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta is. So this is very simple question, but if you do not know the how to start and obtain that required expression, then it will become very complicated. So here what you need to do is simply how to make use of the that relationship between alpha beta and the coefficients of the given polynomial equation, which we already know. What we know is that alpha plus beta is nothing but minus b by a, and alpha into beta is nothing but c upon a. Fine. So now what I need is alpha 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. So therefore here I have alpha plus beta. So what I can do is I can divide this entire equation by, so dividing it by alpha into beta. Okay, so divide by alpha into beta. So therefore what I will get is alpha plus beta divided by alpha into beta equals to minus b by a, this divided by alpha into beta. So if I simplify this here, what I will get is alpha divided by alpha into beta will give me 1 upon beta, and beta divided by alpha into beta, so beta beta will get cancelled. I will get 1 upon alpha, which is same as 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta as given there. And right hand side if you see, so minus b by a, that divided by alpha into beta is c upon a. So here a will get cancelled. So what we will get is minus b by c only. So minus b by c. So therefore minus b's value is, so if you see here it is 3, and c value minus b by, so c value is minus 7. Fine. So therefore here finally what you will get is 3 by 7. So 3 by 7 is option C. Okay, so 3 by 7 is option C here. Fine. Okay, very simple question. Then 10th question is the perimeters of two similar triangles ABC and PQR are 56 and 48 centimeter respectively. Find PQ upon AB is equal to. So here they have given two similar triangles ABC and PQR. So I'll just draw those for your reference. ABC and PQR are the two similar triangles here. Fine. So ABC, PQR, and for these two triangles they have given the perimeters. Okay, perimeters as 56 centimeter, and here they have given for this 48 centimeter. Now what they are asking is the ratio of the PQ upon here AB. So we know that when two triangles are similar, the ratio of the corresponding sides will be also equal to the ratio of the perimeters of the two triangles. So therefore directly we will make use here, but you have to take care of the order. So here PQ they have given in the numerator, therefore we have to take perimeter of that PQR, so that will be 48, and here it will be 56. So here by dividing it by 8 we will get this as 6 by 7. So 6 by 7 is option B. 6 by 7 is option B. Okay. Then 11th question here is A, B, C, D are two chords of a circle intersecting at P. Choose the correct statement from the following. So A, B and C, D are the two chords. So what are the statements given here? So the similarity between two triangles. So here if you observe clearly the two triangles that are formed ADP. So first triangle everywhere if you see it is ADP. So they are similar because here if you see alternate angles are equal, and here also the angles will be equal. So these angles are equal. So corresponding angles are equal. Therefore these two triangles are similar. Now we have to just see the order. So they have, if I take A, D and C, A, D, C. So if I take that order A, D, C, so this will be similar to, then I have to start from C, B and P. So this will be equal to C, B, P. So you have to just check where is that option. So ADP, CBA no, ADP, AB, BPC is also not, ADP and BCP is also not, ADP and CBP, ADP and CBP. So option D is the correct option. So very simple question, just observation is needed. Fine. Now if value of each observation in data is increased by 2, then the median of the new data is. So it is obviously if the values are increased by 2, so the median is also going to increase by 2. So very simple question. So directly you can tick here. Fine. Then 13th question. A box contains cards numbered from 6 to 55. A card is drawn at random from the probability that the drawn card has a number which is a perfect square. So now what they have given is there is a box and the cards which are placed in that box are numbered from 6 to 55, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on, 11 to so on up to 55 cards are there. Okay, so now how many are the total number of cards here if you try to obtain? So the total cards are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and plus here to here it will be 45. So 5 plus 45 is equals to 50 cards are there. Now what is the required event here? So required event is the perfect square. So here first square that we are going to get here is 9. After that we are going to get 16, then 25, then 36 and then 49. So these are the five perfect squares that we will get between these cards in that range. So therefore there are total 5. So therefore the probability of the favorable event is 5 upon total outcomes how many? 50. So 5 upon 50 which is 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 is option number C. Okay. Then 14th question, in the given figure tangent PA and PB to the circle centered at O from point P are perpendicular to each other. If PA equal to 5 cm, then the length of AB is equal to, very simple question again, because they have given these two tangents and they have given the length of one tangent. So from the theorem we know that this length will also be equal PB, and also they have given the angle here 90 degrees, so it is forming a right angle triangle, and AB is therefore the hypotenuse of that. So therefore by using Pythagoras theorem, simply we will be able to get that length AB. So AB will be equal to under the root, so PA square plus PB square. So by substituting the values of both 5 square plus 5 square, so it is 2 times 5 square. So 5 square will come out of the square root, so it will become 5 root 2. So 5 root 2 is the correct option. 5 root 2 is option number B. Fine. Then 15th question here is x, o, y, z is a rectangle with vertices. So they have given the vertices here. The length of its each diagonal is, its each diagonal is. So I'll just try to draw the diagram for clarity and then we'll try to obtain the required length of the diagonal. So here there is a rectangle with the order. So here I will take x, o, y and z. So now they have given the coordinates. So it is minus 3 comma 0, here it is 0 comma 0, then here it is 0 comma 4 and here it is x comma y. Fine. So now we have to find the diagonal. So now the diagonals are from here to here or from here to here. So since the diagonals of a rectangle will be equal, so therefore you find any one of them, so you'll get the correct answer. So here if you observe, so x minus 0 square is x square, then y minus 0 square is y square. So x square plus y square would be the value, but it has to be under the root. So if it was given under the root, then this would be the option, but right now they have not given. So we'll avoid that and we'll try to use these known values. So by using x and y, we will try to find for x and y. So from that x and y only we'll try to find. So under the root, so here it will be 0 plus 3 square, then plus y2 minus y1, y2 is here 4 minus 0 square, so this is nothing but 9 plus 16 which is under the root 25 which is 5. So here option A is the correct option. Fine. Then 16th question says is that which term of the AP minus 29, minus 26, 23, 61 is 16. So they have given here an AP. So let us say this is A1, A2, so on. So I'll just write here once again. So they have given A1 equals to minus 29, A2 equal to minus 26. Okay, and they have given an equals to 16, some terms value they have given, and we have to find which term it is. So we have to basically find n. What is n here? Let us first find the common difference. So it is a2 minus a1 which is minus 26 minus of minus 29 which is minus 26 plus 29 which is 3. So d value or common difference has come 3. Now so we have that given 16, so an will be equal to, we know that this formula, so it is a1 plus n minus 1 d. So here we will use 16, an value they have given, so minus 29 then plus n we have to obtain, so this is unknown, so this is like this. Then rewriting this expression as taking this term to the left hand side and moving minus 29 to the other side. So 16 plus 29 is 45. So n minus 1 is 45 upon 3, which is 15. Okay, then n equals to 15 plus 1 by taking it to the 1 to the other side. So this is 16. So it is 16th term. So option B is the correct option here. Fine. So in the given figure, AT is tangent to a circle centered at O. If CAT is 40 degree, then CBA. So it is very simple question and most repetitive type of question here. So they have given this angle 40 degrees and we know that this is 90 degrees. So obviously this will become 40 plus 50, 90 degrees. So therefore this is 50. And also we know that angle made here is also 90 degrees. So therefore here they have asked for the angle CBA. So we can write here angle CBA plus that 90 degrees plus 50 degrees will be totally equal to 180 degrees. So from this angle CBA will be equal to 180 minus, so this is 140, so that will give us 40 degrees. So option D is the correct option here. Okay. Then 18th question. After an examination, a teacher wants to know the marks obtained by maximum number of the students. So most repeated marks here. Okay. In her class, she requires to calculate what? So we all know that this can be obtained by. So basically, what they are asking is maximum frequency. Maximum frequency. So that maximum frequency is nothing but the basically obtained for mode. So therefore it is calculated by using mode. Fine. So for mode. So here the answer would be mode. Now at the same time, let me just tell you that mean is used for, mean is nothing but the average of the range, and median is nothing but the mid value. Is mid value. So therefore, only mode will be used to determine how many times a particular number has been repeated. So highest frequency. So can be obtained by using mode. And then here, so 19th question is assertion and reasoning type of question. So what they have given is that sine A equals to 1 upon 3, then sine equals to 1 upon 3, then the value of cos A is 2 root 2 by 3. So for every angle theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So here the second reason is correct, but let us check what we will get from that reason, because we will be able to get the expression for cos theta from here itself. So we know that cos theta will be equal to, so I will take sine to the other side, so it will become sin square theta, and removing that square from the cos, you have to take square root over here. So now if sin theta equals to 1 by 3, so we will substitute that 1 by 3 here. So under the root 1 minus, so it is 1 by 3 square, so we'll take square, then under the root, so this 3 square will become 9, so here taking that LCM, so 9 minus 1 upon that 9. Okay, so this will be under the root, so 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 by 9. So we know that square root of 8 is nothing but 2 root 2, so 9's square root is 3, so 2 root 2 3. So here both the things are automatically verified, so that the reason is correct also, and it is the correct explanation of this value also. So therefore the option is the correct option for this. Fine. Then 20th question, two cubes each of edge length 10 centimeter are joined together. So joining the cubes, the total surface area of the newly formed cuboid is. So by joining the cubes means what? So here, so so edge to edge they have been joined together. So here, so it will look like this. So height here is and this length now together is added, and breadth is still the same. Now what is the total surface area? So total surface area is given by 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, substituting the same, 2 times L is 20, B is 10, B is 10, H is 10, plus L is 20 and H is 10. So 2 times here it is 200 plus 100 plus 200. which is equals to 2 times 500, which is equals to 1000 centimeter square, but this value given here is 1200, which is wrong. So therefore assertion is wrong and reason would be usually correct. So here also you can check that the surface, each of the surface of the 10 by 10 cube is 100 centimeter square, because it is 10 into 10, so 100 centimeter square, which is correct. So therefore here reason is correct. I think that would be your option number D. Okay. So that is it, friends. So I hope all of you understood how you could have solved these all questions. Okay. So I have already uploaded set 3 of the question paper also. So you can just go through the solution of that also. And very soon I will be uploading the other set solution as well. Thank you for watching.